Okay, boys and girls, we're going to get started on Home Links 6.4. This one's going to be another fun one that you can kind of play with a little bit at home. All you have to do is choose a way to practice multiplication. You can do beat the calculator, fact triangle practice, salute, okay? Or remember, we have beat the clock on our website, so you could use beat the clock if you want to do it that way. You could also do around the world, meaning you can have, if you want your parents and your brothers and sisters, you get your multiplication facts flashcards, and you can use those all around the world and see who collects the most cards. Or you can just use the ones that we've used here. Remember, beat the calculator. You have a fact, and you have to come up with the answer before the person using the calculator does. Your fact triangle practice, you would practice with someone else using the fact triangles. And the salute would be putting the cards on your head. Okay, once you finish with that, then they want you to come up with 6 power facts, meaning or fact powers, ones that you really know. So if you know, because we've done it so many times, 8 times 8 equals 64, because of 8 and 8, you got 6 on the floor, 8 times 8 is 64. If that's one you know right away, go ahead and put that in there. So your fact power is the one fact, or the facts that you know right off the bat. Okay, maybe you know 7 times 7. We have the little rhyme that we do, 7 times 7 bugs in a line, creeping and crawling, all 49. Okay, so that's another one you may know. So go ahead and think of them. If you don't have 6 that you really feel comfortable with, only put the number of the ones that you feel comfortable with. And then down at the bottom, just put a fact that you're still practicing on. Maybe you don't know 7 times 8, and that you're still going to practice on that. All right, and maybe you're going to do it by doing break apart, where we could break the 8 apart. Okay, and we could have it as 7 times 4 equals 28, and 7 times 4 equals 28. And this is the one I'm going to practice on this week. And my answer would be 56. So I want to start remembering that 7 times 8 is 56. And I could do that by using my break apart or whatever strategy you could use. Remember, you pick the one that is one that you want to practice on. All right, boys and girls, this would conclude your lesson 6.4.